Alright, so this will catch all the leaf, like bigger material. So that way that my the water pump will have any issue. So whatever smaller than it can pass through, my water pump can handle it. Now I'm gonna put this back in. And I'm here. Okay. And go into here. That go over there. That go here. Alright, water spout. Collect all the rain, all the dirty stuff. We're gonna fill this tube all the way here first, right? So you have like, you know how those shingles make small little piece of rocks. So it will come sit over here first instead of going here straight. So it will fill up this extra tube when it's rain, and when it get full and water stop right there, and then whatever extra water go inside to this 2 container. Okay, so this one has a 300 gallon right here, and then it go here, and then it feed to the other container. So whatever water it come up to here, it will have the same level because they share the same water system. So from there, with these 2 buckets full, instead of overflow and then going to the next to the house, and we don't want to have messed up any foundation problem. So this extra tube is came out when it's get both containers full, and the water will discharge to this little garden. So you can close and open the valve right here. To, if you want to empty this, just the bucket, you just empty it. If you want to clean it, you can clean this one up, you know, like a rotation thing going on. So you have their own valve to turn off the water supply and off and on. And then from there, go this way. So now I have this little water. It go to my motor, the water pump. So 2 water container, it come to here. It will come to this water pump. I'll put it right over here underneath. It has a 45 psi, which is pretty damn good. So what happens is come to this side to water fed in, and the water come out from here, as you see, and then it go to the front yard. You see the small little tube right there in the bottom. See the little water tube? It go to outside, so I can have a water access outside to like clean the car, clean the driveway, or any kind of. And then another tube will come out to this end right here. I'll bury it underneath this. Pretty deep. So you go all the way across. Cross. You even notice in there, huh? And then come up to here. Alright. Now I'll open. Now let me see. Alright, let's see how far I get to. So now I got this. Only for my water. It's rainwater. Rainwater, nothing else. So it's from here to what, Big Tree? A little bit past Big Tree. Alright, I'm here standing. Let's see from these rocks. We're gonna measure it. And then go up to easy past the tree. Easy. Alright, we're gonna measure this, how far it get to. This is the water. Turn off. Alright. Then from the bottom, keep coming down this way. It's buried the pipe underneath right here. So it came all to this size. I had another water access to here, just in case I need to use it for the future. And I have another one right here. This is automatically fit my garden with the timer. This is a timer that I have. Laser. Alright. So every 6 hours the water will open. And then it will water the garden. Let's see, 1 minute. Okay. Now you hear water clicking. See, kicking. And then the water go to. I'll turn this off because I don't need it. There you go. Oh, it's rainwater. Rainwater only, nothing else. Only rainwater. Rainwater, you see how good it is? Rainwater. This is for my lemongrass. Here's another one. Yeah. Going hard. Rainwater. Now it's 1 minute, timers go off, so there's no more waters coming out. You know, I feel like pretty damn good. Water supply stop right here, and then timer fit the water, my garden, and then come to here. There's another line. So from here, I have another one cross the fence. So the water, his pipe is buried underneath somewhere here. So keep coming. So now I come to here. Alright, there's another hose. I mean, look at it, the whole around the house I will have my water supplies. So now this is my water hose that I connect to. And then to the water. Oh my God. Right?